Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2025 10.4 feet 64 gigabytes, Wi-Fi Android tablet, S Pen included, gaming ready, long battery life, slim metal design, expandable storage, US version, chiffon pink, Amazon exclusive. Looking for a stylish, versatile tablet that won't break the bank? The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2025 might just be your perfect match. With an included S Pen, slim metal design, and Dolby Atmos sound, this tablet promises fun and productivity in one sleek package. But does it live up to the hype? Why it stands out. Free S Pen, ideal for note-taking and sketching 10.4. Vivid display, great for movies and gaming all-day battery life. Up to 12+ hours of streaming Samsung DeX. Turns your tablet into a PC-like workstation. Whether you're a student, artist, or just need a budget-friendly entertainment hub, the Tab S6 Lite 2025 could be your next go-to device. Ready to dive deeper? Let's explore what makes this tablet a standout choice in the crowded mid-range market. Design and build quality. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2025 retains the sleek and lightweight design of its predecessor, but with subtle refinements. Materials and aesthetics. Metal unibody construction. Premium feel without being too heavy. 467 grams. Slim profile. 0.27 inches thick. Easy to hold for long periods. Chiffon pink. Amazon exclusive. A stylish color option alongside mint, gray, and silver. Ergonomics and portability. 10.4-inch form factor. Fits comfortably in bags and backpacks. Lightweight design. Ideal for students and travelers. S Pen slot. Convenient magnetic attachment, though not as secure as the Tab S7/S8. Build durability. No official IP rating. Not water or dust resistant. Gorilla Glass protection. Unspecified version. Decent scratch resistance. Verdict. The Tab S6 Lite 2025 offers a premium, lightweight design that's perfect for on-the-go use. Display and multimedia experience. Screen specifications. 10.4-inch LCD, 2000x1200 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio. Sharp and vibrant for media consumption. 60 Hz refresh rate. Not as smooth as high-end tablets, but adequate for most tasks. Dolby Vision and HDR10 support. Enhanced contrast and colors for streaming. Viewing experience. Brightness. Approximately 500 nits. Decent for indoor use, but struggles in direct sunlight. Color accuracy. sRGB and DCI-P3 coverage. Good for casual photo/video editing. Audio performance. Dual speakers with Dolby Atmos. Loud and immersive for movies and music. 3.5mm headphone jack. A rare but welcome inclusion in modern tablets. Verdict. The display is great for media consumption, though not as advanced as AMOLED panels in higher-end tablets. Performance and hardware. Processor and RAM. Exynos 1280, 5nm, octa-core. A significant upgrade over the previous model. Exynos 9611. 4GB RAM. Enough for multitasking but may struggle with heavy apps. Benchmark scores. Single core. ~700, multi-core. ~1800, comparable to mid-range smartphones. GPU, Mali G68, handles casual games well, but not for high-end gaming. Real-world performance, smooth UI navigation, One UI 5.1, Android 13 is well optimized. Multitasking, split screen, pop-up view, works well with 2 to 3 apps. Verdict, a solid mid-range performer for everyday tasks, but not for power users. S Pen functionality and note-taking. Included S Pen, no battery required. Latency, approximately 9 milliseconds. Feels natural for writing and sketching. Magnetic attachment, sticks to the side but not as secure as the Tab S8's. Note-taking and creativity apps. Samsung Notes. Feature-rich with PDF annotation. Clip Studio Paint, great for digital artists. Verdict. One of the best budget tablets with stylus support for students and artists. Software in Samsung DeX, One UI 5.1, Android 13. Clean, customizable interface. Samsung's best software yet. Long-term updates, 3 to 4 years of OS updates expected. Samsung DeX, desktop mode. turns the tablet into a PC-like experience. Great for productivity. Wireless DeX support. Connect to a monitor without cables. Verdict. Excellent software support with useful productivity features. Battery life and charging. Battery capacity 7,040 mAh. 12 plus hours of video playback. Excellent for all-day use. 15W charging. No fast charging. Takes approximately 2.5 hours for a full charge. Verdict. Great battery life but slow charging. Camera and audio quality. Rear camera 8MP. Decent for document scanning, not for photography. Front camera 5MP. Good for video calls. Number 4K recording. Verdict. Basic cameras, only for occasional use. Gaming and entertainment. Casual gaming. Genshin Impact. COD Mobile. Medium settings at 30 FPS. Playable, but not ideal for hardcore gamers. Media consumption. Netflix, YouTube, Spotify. Great for streaming. Widevine L1. Full HD on Netflix. Verdict. Good for casual gaming and media. Storage and expandability. 64 GB internal storage. Expandable via micro SD up to 1 TB. Verdict. Good for budget users, but 128 GB would have been better. Connectivity and ports. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C, no HDMI out. Verdict. Standard connectivity options. Accessories and ecosystem. Book cover. Sold separately. Adds keyboard functionality. No official keyboard case. Third-party options available. Verdict. Limited official accessories. Pros and cons. Pros: S Pen included. Great battery life. Premium build quality. Good for note-taking and media. Cons: 4 GB RAM, limits heavy multitasking. No AMOLED display. Slow charging. Final verdict and who should buy it? Who should buy it? Students. Great for note-taking. Casual users. Excellent for media and light work. Budget-conscious buyers. Best tablet under $400 with a stylus. Final rating. 4.5/5. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2025 is a fantastic mid-range tablet that offers great value, especially with the included S Pen. While it's not a powerhouse, it's perfect for students, artists, and casual users who want a versatile, affordable tablet.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.